Okay, in this question we are given a cubic equation x cube plus px square plus qx plus r equals to 0, and alpha beta are the roots. Okay, alpha beta are the roots of this equation. We need to find out an equation whose roots are alpha minus 1 upon beta gamma, beta minus 1 upon alpha gamma, and gamma minus 1 upon alpha beta. Okay, so in this kind of a scenario, how do I work upon it? What we can do is we can just look into let us take y equals to alpha minus 1 upon beta gamma. Now 1 upon beta gamma, I would want to transform it into something, use some sort of manipulation out here so that I can use the given conditions of the roots and equation relation. So what I would want to do, I would want to multiply and divide this term by alpha. So these two terms are absolutely equal, right? These two terms are absolutely equal. Now what I know is that alpha beta gamma would equal to minus d upon a, so it will be minus r, because this time the whole equation is in positive terms. Okay, so what do I have here? Alpha minus alpha upon, in fact this becomes plus because I have a minus r here. Okay, so I can take alpha common and this becomes 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon r, correct? So hence now take y as, instead of alpha, let us take it as x, because alpha is just a root, so I can put x out there, and hence I am taking y equals to x into 1 plus 1 upon r, and x becomes y upon 1 upon 1 by r, which is nothing but ry upon r plus 1, right? So just put the value of x, put the value of x in the original equation, and we get x cube, so this becomes ry upon r plus 1 whole cube, plus px square, so p into ry r plus 1 square, plus qx, so q into ry upon r plus 1 plus r equals to 0. So hence this equation would look like r cube y cube upon r plus 1 whole cube plus p into r square y square upon r plus 1 whole square plus q into ry upon r plus 1 plus r equals to 0. Taking LCM throughout, I will get an equation in terms of y which will look like this. In terms of y, it will look like this, whole cube equals to 0, and this becomes my final transformed equation in terms of y.